what's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing another wash and go. That's right, another wash and go. And I am still going to be using the Eco as my styler. However, for my wash day products, I use the Kinky Tresses line. So I use the shampoo to cleanse my hair. Loved it. And I use the restorative conditioner to deep condition. And I emptied it. I should have re-upped on Kinky Tresses during Black Friday, but I didn't, so I'm out of that. Then I went in with the hair milk, so that is in my hair now. And I will say that it's soaked right into my hair. You don't see it sitting on top, and I love that. It is a thicker leave-in. To me, the application is very much like a cream, but hey, it soaked in, it's not sitting on top, and my hair feels good, so we're gonna go with it. Now I'm gonna top it though with the hair butter from Kinky Tresses because I want as much moisture as I can get since it's cold, and I want to see how these two pair together because remember, I'm trying to give you guys some combos to let you know what Eco pairs with and can still give a pretty good hold. So we're gonna see. So the leave-in is already in. I tried not to use too much because I just don't want it to flake. And then I'm only gonna take just a little bit of the cream as well. And I'm gonna put it on. I probably should put it on the whole section first just to give my sections some time for it to soak in. So I'm just getting a little bit more. I'm just kind of doing one swipe. Now, is that enough or not? I don't know. So we're going to see. I'm going to put just a little bit on those ends because the ends are the oldest part of the hair. So you want to protect those. Another one swipe. This is pretty big section, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Yeah, I'm just going to add it to all the sections real quick. Okay guys, I think I got it all applied. I think I might have went a little heavy-handed on this side as opposed to this side, but that seems to always happen. So yeah, I applied it. Still have some of that left. Now let's apply this gel and hope it doesn't flake. And I'm hoping I don't have to add any more water, but we're going to see. Okay guys, sorry, I had to adjust the camera a little bit. All right, let's go in with this Eco and see what it does. Got my towel here. Okay. Got a little bit. And don't fret guys, I am gonna go over the products a little bit more once my hair is dry and I come back and tell you, you know, how I feel about it because it's getting a little late in the day, so I wanna try to get this hair done and dry as soon as possible. Okay. I will say it feels a lot thicker because the products are thick. Like I said, the leave-in was thick, the cream is thick, and then this gel is thick, so my hair does feel thick and somewhat weighed down. But we're gonna see. Sorry guys if you heard the garage door, that's my son.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like your ice on every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like your ice on every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a day guarantee and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, almost kicked in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you ice on every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you ice on every time. Can't you, can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you?
Okay guys, so I am done applying the product to my hair. I will say that I do see some white, so I'm hoping that it doesn't flake. I'm not surprised though, because all these products are thick, and like I said, my hair feels thick, so when you use a lot of thick products, you will sometimes get white. But hopefully it'll dry clear. Hopefully it'll dry clear. So let me get under the dryer and I'll be back when it's dry. And guys, I'm down to here. I actually do not think that this is enough gel to do another wash and go. So I'm probably gonna just use this for slick back styles and things like that. So I'm going to say that this is the last combo using the Eco Green. I do have a Crystal Eco, but before I break into that, I want to do some combos with some other gels that I have. So we're gonna go away from the Eco for a while, and I'll start trying to do some combos with some other gels. So stay tuned for my dry results. Okay guys, so I'm from under the dryer, and like I told you in a previous video where I used Eco, I just went and kind of pulled down on my hair a little bit, broke the cast, but of course it's still pretty flat. So it needs to be, for me, it needs to be stretched a little bit to get a little bit more volume. However, I think I told you guys when I started that it was a little bit later in the day. So with that being said, I am not going to stretch tonight and get made up and everything. I will do that tomorrow. So I'm just going to, let me go ahead and show y'all, because y'all be like, what you use? Okay. So, see this? Arms can go all the way in it. It's a tube. It's just a tube. This one I happen to have gotten from TonyDaily.com. So Tony Daily is a YouTuber. She also has a small business where she sells handmade jewelry, braid tubes, wigs, things of that sort. So I got this off her site. Now hers is more, it's a little stretchy, but it is not satin, it is not silk, any of those things. So for those of you who care about that, this may not be the one that you want to get. However, it is very affordable and it works. Then I have this one. Okay, same thing, but this one is actually a gaiter. This was my son's. When he played football, they had gaiters they put over their head and then they put over their faces to keep them warm. So I use this now for a braid, to, you know, for a lock sock to sleep in or whatever, to protect my hair. This one is stretchy as well. You can see through it. Looks like it could be some type of, it's silkier, not silkier, but it's more satin than this. I'll say that. It's kind of a nylon, not nylon, I don't know, polyester. I think it's polyester actually. I don't really know, but it's polyester. You think of the spandex and polyester blends that you wear, shirts, and so anyway, that's that. Okay. So, and then I have some that are actually from the Lock Sock Company and so forth. So you'll hear me in my videos. I know this is kind of on a tangent, but somebody's going to ask. You'll hear me in my videos where I say I use my braid tube. I use my lock sock. Some people call them a, what's it called? Headband thing, because sometimes people use these as headbands as well. They have a lot of uses, okay? So whenever I mention any of those things, I'm talking about one of these. Whichever one I can get my hands on first, that's what I'm talking about. This one, here's the pro about this one. It's cheap and it's not tight. Some of these gaiters, some of these lock socks, gaiters and everything, for me and my big head, they can get tight around my head, and sometimes I end up ripping them off at night because they give me a headache. But this one from Tony Daily is not tight. So that's why I like it, even though it may suck more moisture out of my hair than some of these other ones. This is actually from Lock Sock. So you have the elastic at the top, and then it's kind of just regular at the bottom. There's no hem. So this is a lock sock, and this gets kind of tight. So what I'll do is I'll put this part that doesn't have the elastic around my head and leave this part in the back. So I've done that before. This one, very similar. Now this one is made from, nope. This one actually is nylon and spandex as well. So, but it's definitely a lot more slick than some of these other ones. But this one is from Grace Aaliyah. Some of you have heard of her. So she has these as well. Her elastic is covered in the spandex and nylon. And this side is what I'll use sometimes because hers can get a little tight around my head as well. And I like it. But what I will say is the way this one is made, because it's double lined, where these are not, it's just, they're not double lined. Here's another lock sock. So they come in different colors. They're not double lined. This one is, so it tends to get crooked and everything. You know how sometimes if you've ever had elastic in your skirt, pants waist, or skirt waist, and it's a little cheaper and the elastic starts to kind of turn and move around, that's similar to what this does. So that kind of gets worrisome for me but it works nonetheless. So anyway, all that being said, I am going to put one of these on my head. And so I'm going to do this one from Lock Sock. And like I said, I'm going to put the loose part around my head. Just like that. And I got the elastic part back here. So now it's not as tight around my head. Tuck my hair in, and that's all I do. So I have my hair going back like this. Some people will have these where their hair is sticking up, kind of like a pineapple. You can do that if you want to. I prefer mine going back like this. That's just my preference. And then I sleep. Now you'll see that my hair is getting longer. It's hanging out. Sometimes I'll just put a little bonnet on top of that just to protect it. Sometimes I don't because I sleep on a satin pillowcase. So my curls will be okay either way. But anyway, I have a lot of them. I grab one, I put it on. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So it's late. So I will come back in the morning, made up, hair stretch, and show you what my hair is looking like. So stay tuned. Okay, guys. So real quick, wanted to pop on and let you see my hair. So I know I was not able to come back after I had dried my hair, I don't think. So today is 3rd day hair. I just got back from outside on the water. So yeah, it is doing what it's doing. But I do want to let you know that it was very defined today. But again, like I said, we were on a boat, we were on the water, so it did get a little freezy, but it still has a lot of definition. But this is 3rd day hair using Eco and the Kinky Tresses. It feels good. I have not had to remoisturize it. It's soft, but it's nighttime. We're getting ready to have dinner real quick, and then I don't know how it's gonna look tomorrow because I haven't decided. I think we're gonna be in the pool tomorrow, and then I haven't decided if I'm going to go ahead and try to wash it or whatever. So I did want to at least let you see 3rd day hair. Yeah, so excuse me for just popping in, but yeah, this is it. Wanted to give you an opportunity to see how it looked. All right. Okay, guys, popping in because I wanted to just touch base with you. So I think I showed you 4th day hair the other day. Today is 5th day hair, or did I show you 3rd day hair? Today is 5th day hair, and again, it has been on the ocean. It has been in the pool, getting a little bit wet, and today we had our spa day here. So we had the people come, they gave us massages, they gave us pedicures, facials, and things like that. I didn't get a facial, I got a pedicure and a massage. Some people got massage and facials, yada yada. But with that massage, she was all in my head and everything. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like after being manipulated through a massage. Still got a lot of coils, do have some frizz, but it's not bad. It's moist here, so my hair is very moisturized. All right, guys, so yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think about this hair. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.